Name of the Almighty God, the most gracious and most merciful, I send peace and blessings to every one of you. A good morning, a good afternoon, and a good evening, based from where you are. I'm called Sebaduka Arafat, a financial literacy coach, a public speaker, and a cryptocurrency trainer. So we welcome you back once again on our social media platforms of Coach Sebaduka Arafat, where we learn how to make the money, how to multiply the money, how to invest the money, and how to keep the money. So if you have been there and in life you have been wanting understand to get more knowledge about financial literacy, these are the right social media pages that you should follow so that you can understand more about financial literacy, where you can become financial literate, where you can get knowledge about financial education, as the Holy Bible tells us in Proverbs chapter 11 verse 14. Where there is no guidance, people fail, but in abundance of counselors there is safety. Meaning that in everything that you want to do, you should seek knowledge and guidance from that thing, because when you get the right knowledge and guidance on anything that you're going to do, you have high chances that you're going to prosper. You can take an example. When God wanted us to understand more of God and the religion, he sent his holy prophets, he sent messengers that were going to deliver us the message so that we can understand the Almighty God, so that we can understand our different religions, either Christianity or Islam. So this is the same thing in business and in all aspects of life. So if you have something that you really want to be good at, definitely we have people that really you can learn from, so that you can ease your journey and you can learn very many things from the journey that you want to take. So I welcome you back on our episode 2. Don't forget that we are looking at the beginner's guide to day trading cryptocurrency. So if this is your first time to land on this video, I'm sure on this social media handle, it might be TikTok, it might be Facebook, it might be YouTube, we have tutorials about cryptocurrency. So if you haven't seen about that, go back and look on the different videos we have here and you learn what is cryptocurrency, because today we are looking at the beginner's guide to day trading cryptocurrency. We had the first episode 1. So today we are going to look at episode 2, because in episode 1 we looked at the introduction and we looked at what was day trading, or what is day trading. So today we are going to look at, in episode 2, we are going to emphasize and focus on how do day traders make money. Because yesterday we saw that day trading is a trading strategy that involves entering and exiting positions on the same trading day. So we want to see how can you make money from entering and exiting positions on the same day. So this is what we are going to look at today, and I'm going to be your presenter today, Sebaduka Arafat. Allow me so that we get started with today's theme: how do day traders make money? So successful day traders will have a deep understanding. This is what I talked about. In anything that you need to do, you should have knowledge and guidance so that you can prosper. Because one of the reasons why you have started up different businesses and those businesses have not succeeded, yet you have very many other people that have been in those businesses for over 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, meaning that those people have a secret. They understand that business. They know that if the business is not performing well at this time, how should I behave? If the business is performing well, how should I behave? But most people think that money is everything, and they forget that knowledge and understanding about that business is something very crucial. So also in the trading business, also in trading these financial markets, that is why banks and financial institutions hire experts who have knowledge and understanding about these markets. So they tell us that successful day traders will have a deep understanding of the market and a good chunk of experience, meaning that day traders will typically use the technical analysis, which is usually abbreviated as TA, to create trade ideas. They'll usually use the volume, price action, chart patterns, and technical indicators to identify the entry and exit points for trades. They tell us that, as with any trading strategy, risk management is essential for success in day trading. As it is in all other businesses, there is what we call risk management. So they've told us that these day traders need to do what we call the technical analysis, where they will look at the volume, they look at the price actions, and they will look at the chart pattern. So I want to show you, if you want to do the technical analysis, where are you going to find the technical analysis, or where you're going to do the technical analysis from. So you might be having what we call a cryptocurrency exchange. It can be Binance, OKX, or any other exchange. As you see, you need to analyze these charts. You need to read these candlesticks. You need to read this volume. You need to read the MACD indicators, the RSI. You need to have knowledge about these indicators. You really need to, when you look at this chart, you need to tell that according to what I see, according to this chart, this is going to be, this coin is going to make what we call a long position, or it's going to appreciate in value. Or you can look at the chart and say that this coin is going to depreciate in value. You can only find that in the technical analysis, which is abbreviated as the TA. So now they are telling us that as fundamental events may take long time to play out, day traders may not concern themselves with fundamental analysis, which is abbreviated as FA. So we have the fundamental analysis and we have the technical analysis. Remember, the day traders, they make profits from entering and exiting positions on the same day. They have told you that the fundamental events may take a long time to play out, and you may not concern yourself very much with the fundamental analysis. But even so, there are some day traders that base their strategy around trading the news. So the news is also very crucial in the financial markets or the crypto market. That is why you saw when Bybit was hacked, definitely the market went down because the news was negative. So it had to affect the market in a negative way. This involves finding assets with high volume thanks to a recent announcement or piece of news, and taking advantage of the temporary spike in trading activity. No wonder when President Donald Trump was doing the campaigns of the United States of America, when he said that I'm going to support crypto, I'm going to regulate and allow people to use crypto, the cryptocurrency market appreciated in value because it had a boost that people like President Donald Trump, who's going to be the president of the powerful country in the world, definitely had said yes to the crypto space. People like Elon Musk, definitely they had to impact the cryptocurrency market in a positive way. So they tell us that day traders aim to profit off market volatility. Volatility, I told you that this is where money is being made, because volatility means that the assets will appreciate in value and will depreciate in value. So the cryptocurrency market has many opportunities. When the market is down, don't blame the market. This is a good opportunity for you to buy something at a lower price. And when the market has appreciated in value, that is the right opportunity for you to sell when you're in profits. As such, volume and liquidity are crucial for day trading. So if you're going to do day trading, look at the liquidity of the asset that you're trading. Look at the volume in which the asset is being traded in. This, I'll take you to the coin market cap. I want to show you something via the coin market cap. So if you are trading financial markets, especially the cryptocurrency market, you need things like this. So you need to, for example, let me look at the Bitcoin. So if you look at the trading volume of Bitcoin, it is 21.51 billion US dollars. Where I put my black dot. Imagine Bitcoin in the last 24 hours, it has been traded 21.51 billion US dollars, meaning that it has the volume, it has the liquidity, which is very good, because they're telling us that after all, day traders need good liquidity to execute key trades. This is especially true when it comes to exiting a position, especially people who are doing futures trading, because in cryptocurrency we have two ways. We have what we call spot trading, which means buy low, sell high. Then we have what we call futures trading. Futures trading is the speculation of market prices, whether they will appreciate or depreciate in value. So futures trading is kind of more risky than spot trading, because with spot trading, an asset can depreciate in value and you can have what we call a temporary reduction in your investment. Because, for example, you can invest $1,000 and the asset depreciates. Then where you invested $1,000, you can see there $900, but you are very sure that at least this asset has high chances of appreciating again in value. But futures trading, in most cases, you can find yourself that you can lose your money permanently. So if you're a new trader, I urge you to trade only spot trading. So they're telling us that A large slippage on just one trade can have a devastating impact on a day trader's trading account. This is why day traders will typically trade high liquid market pairs. So if they talk about slippage, let me come onto Google and we see what does slippage mean. Try to use Google. Let Google be your friend so that you can understand these technical terms. So they tell us that in cryptocurrency, slippage is the difference between the price you expected to pay for an asset and the price you actually paid. Slippage can be positive or negative. They're telling us that causes of slippage, market volatility, which means the sudden price fluctuations can cause slippage. Low liquidity, when there aren't enough assets available to fill an order at the desired price. And the network congestion, when the network is busy, it can cause slippage. They're giving us a good example of slippage. Calculating slippage. Slippage is often expressed as a percentage. For example, if you expected to buy Bitcoin for $90,000, but it actually cost you $90,500, your slippage would be 0.55%. So we should be very keen about that. You can use Google and understand more about the slippage. So lastly, the last paragraph tells us that some day traders will only trade one market pair, such as Bitcoin stroke USDT. Others will create a watch list. A watch list means that coins that you'll monitor, coins that always you monitor, you get news about, you get updates about, you easily know whether the price has increased or the price has decreased. So they're telling us that those coins that you create on your watch list, based on the technical or fundamental attributes or both, and choose what instrument to trade from that list. So today we have been talking about how do day traders make money, and I believe you have understood something from this video. How do the day traders make money? But guess what? Are you an experienced trader but still you have been facing difficulties in your trades? Are you a new trader and you are worried about such technical terms? How will I do the technical analysis? How will I do the fundamental analysis? Don't worry. We have what we call the trading bots and the trading AI called the artificial intelligence. You don't need to be a professional. This AI or the artificial intelligence and the trading bots will enable to place the trades and execute the trades for you in profits. You don't need to spend long hours on your charts. You don't need to spend long hours on your phone. Simply just contact me on my email or on my number, WhatsApp number that is on my biography, or use the comment section. I will help you on how you can use the trading AI or the trading bot so that you can easily make money within the cryptocurrency space without bothering yourself with long hours, long minutes on your phones or laptops. So the next video, we are going to look at day trading strategies. In our episode 3, we are going to look at the day trading strategies. So thank you very much for being a good audience, and I would urge everyone to like, comment and subscribe on our social media handles of Coach Sebaduka Arafat on all social media handles: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, our beloved listeners. We are really appreciative and grateful